the world would come to a standstill without Tawafi Kaaba, a shocking revelation in a new study. According to new research, the world would stop without the Kaaba because the rotation of the earth is due to the circumambulation of the Kaaba and prayer. An Indonesian website has published a report by American professor Lawrence E. Joseph based on the collective research report of 15 universities regarding the Kaaba and the black stone installed in it, in which it is said that the world can stop without Kaaba. If Muslims leave the Tawaf Kaaba or do not perform the prayer, surely our Earth's rotation will stop because the rotation of the supramosul centered on the black stone will not scatter the electromagnetic waves. The report further states that research results from 15 universities show that Hajar Aswad is a meteorite with a very high metal content, which is 23,000 times more than existing steel. Some astronauts who saw a very bright light emanating from the Earth and after research found that the light emanated from the Kaaba. Research has shown that black stone is a superconductor which acts like a microphone that transmits these waves thousands of miles away. Professor Lawrence has also written a special note in his research report that Muslims really owe us a huge debt that circumambulation of the Kaaba and prayers maintain the supramosul for the movement of the earth. It should be noted that Kaaba is the only place of worship in the world where tawaf does not stop even for a moment in a year, while Muslims pray 5 times a day, and due to the rotation of the sun, at every moment of the day, in any part of the world. Azan and namaz are happening in some part of the world at any time and at every moment.